This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Acura MDX. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, heated seats, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a power rear lift tailgate, cruise control, leather seats, performance tires, a rear spoiler, cargo tie-downs, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 22,000 miles. This Acura has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Raleigh Acura is located at 1750 Northern Boulevard in Roslyn. As the 7-time recipient of the Precision Team Award, our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.